Meet magical souls, and welcome back to another video. So this one's a very personal video for me to film for you guys today. Maleficent, come here. I gotta have my cat with me. It's just gonna get really personal, guys. Say hi. You're being cute. No? So the special announcement for today's video is that we're sponsored by nothing. What's new? So anyways guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite sleeping spells that I like to do before I go to sleep. My ritual before I go to bed, like all the spells and prayers I read. So without further ado, let's get on into this little video. So today's video, guys, is basically all about sleeping protection, being protected in your sleep. And no, I'm not talking about the sex kind of sleep. Wear that kind of protection too, but this kind of protection is psychic protection from negative energy, forces, entities, demons, and all those things when you sleep. Because your spirit travels and does God knows what, and if you've never smudged your home before or have protection in your home, like home gridding, crystal grids and stuff, who knows what kind of spirits are lurking around up in your home. Play some Tibet bowl music. Okay guys, so it's the 52 Hertz frequency. You guys can play that in your home. Tibet bowl music, Buddha mantra music. Go ahead, play some holy vibes. Raise the vibration of your home. Alrighty guys, first thing and foremost is to have your bed gridded. You guys can make a crystal grid, like a plate crystal grid with your crystals all on that, but I like to actually grid my bed. So I have 4 crystals, 4 smoky quartz on each side, and I set my intention, set my spells so no negative energy can affect me or touch me from all worlds, realms of existence throughout the stars of time and space, and all that kind of verbiage, guys, is what you want to use. I recommend using self-cleansing crystals if you want to add that to your smoky quartz, clear quartz, amethyst, or whatever stone you're using. Super 7 would be a pretty awesome one too, guys, but you can use black kyanite, selenite, layer the crystals together to always have the crystal be cleared, so if something does attack it, it's instantly cleansed. So always good to do that, guys. So with my bed gridded, I usually go ahead and anoint myself. I have some holy water blend that I make, so I got myself all nice and sprayed. Got some oil in my mouth, and I use one of my different potions, little essential oils that I get from my different fun people. So this one is from Athena from Sage Goddess. I have some from Witch's Moon, Jenna from the White Witch Parlor, all that good stuff. So you want to go ahead and anoint like your third eye, your wrist. I like doing my throat. Sometimes I do like from my going down to my heart chakra, down to my lower chakras, and then I do my little feet area for where I go in my sleep. So once I anoint myself, guys, and I sprayed myself with my holy water, the prayers can begin. So I'm gonna start off with some from my little book of shadows, guys. So I have my whole little sleeping ritual. So this is my dream ritual. So this is my dream ritual section in my book of shadows, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and read you the spells that I like using. The first one I found on the internet and tweaked to my own liking. It's Dream Masters above, angels of the night, help me sleep in your healing light. Restful sleep come to me, relax my body, let my mind be free. Grant me calm and peace tonight, and let me wake in God's golden light. Very simple, beautiful prayer, guys, for someone who just needs protection, but when you got shitty karma and negative energy and demons are trying to kill you, you need to up your game, right? So that's why I have myself gridded. I got my potion on me, I got my holy water on me, and now it's time to read more spells. So I see my dreams with clear vision, so in depth of perfect precision, insights and questions that I often wonder. Dreams provide message throughout my slumber. So that one's one from Jenna from the White Witch Parlor. I would recommend using a stone or like one of your rings, your crystal rings, guys. Go ahead and bless it to help you remember and get messages in your sleep from your highest guides of love and light and your guardian angel and that kind of thing. You guys can go ahead and get messages that way and remember. And then one of my favorite prayers is, Nyx, goddess of the night, who paints the twilight sky with stars and light. I ask for your blessing and rejoice as you set the sky alight. I anoint myself as your child, alive and anew with your radiant energy. May you always bless me in your rays of silver moonlight, so mote it be. And then this next one is an elemental invocation, guys, of each of the elements to protect you, to cast like a circle around you while you sleep. Well, you know what? Actually, no. I cast a circle around me with the elements while I sleep, guys, and activate it to open fully when I'm awake and I leave like my bed, then my circle can be open. So I cast a protective circle around me while I sleep too, guys, and then I recite these invocations of each element to go ahead and protect me in my sleep. And when I do cast the circle, guys, I invoke Archangel Michael, Uriel, Gabriel, Raphael, Metron, God, and all Ascended Masters, calling in all the protective energies, guys. Everything, have all my bases covered. So the invocation is: Earth, bring forth to me Mother Earth's healing energy, cradle me in your embrace and protect me in my dreams. Air, blow away any negative energies that try to affect my dreams, and blow to me God's kisses to always be protected forever and always. Fire, bring down the Ascended Master's flames, burn around me in my dreams, protect me from all harm and be my friend, I love you. Water, bring me my sea friends of love and light, guard the chambers of my dreams, let no evil control or influence them. Water, be here now and protect me. But I wrote water, be here now, protect your high priestess, because I'm a high priestess, but you can change the wording, you know. And the last part is: Spirit, bring my elemental guardians down from the heavens. Let them rejoice in my protection and save me from all harm. I now connect to God and all the Ascended Masters. I ask for your assistance in my dreams, so mote it be. So to those of you who don't know, they're telling me to tell you, you've lived a couple different lifetimes. For the younger souls and older souls, you've lived a lot. So you have worked with the elements and magic, and you guys do have some guardians, or you can go ahead and call upon some to go ahead and protect you. So do it safely, call in beings of love and light through God, through my archangel, through my spirit guide. I now call forth elemental guardian of the earth to protect me for the highest good of all, within my alignment to live a life in Goddess Nyx's eyes and God's eyes, whoever's eyes you want, who are of love and light, and call in that guardian. So when you do read that little last part for spirit, guys, you're calling in all the guardians from all the elements to protect you with all that good stuff. And I also forgot to mention, guys, but sometimes my life just gets so busy and I haven't been able to wake up as early as I wanted, but in the past, and what I'm working on doing again, is reciting my prayers every day, doing my sets of Heart Sutra, Medicine Buddha Sutra, whichever Ascended Master Sutra I feel like I need to do. Heart Sutra is always up there. Yusnisa Rijaya Sutra is also good too. So I want to clear my karma, get all that stuff like cleared, so none of the negative energy or evil forces can attack me. So I'm adding extra layers of protection to me already with doing all of these extra supernatural workings to protect myself. So with all those different things, guys, I'm pretty much protected. I do have another spell here, and I have a spell on my phone that I bought from my book of I got on this magical book, guys, from Michael's. And the spell is so pretty. I posted it on my Instagram, and I've actually done it before. You guys just want to go ahead and light yourself a candle, and it's: by this candle I do sleep, hidden from the day in the night so deep. O Lady Moon, guide my dreams, cover me with your beautiful beams. As the candle flame dies, please close my eyes, allow me to wake in the warmth of the sun, so mote it be. Such a beautiful spell, guys. You can also say, when it goes to the O Lady Moon part, you could be like, oh Goddess Nyx and the moon, guide my dreams. Very beautiful. You can substitute that for any god, goddess you feel affinity to. And this other prayer is really a beautiful prayer that I kind of showed you guys in another video if you've seen it, to clear your energy, aura, mind, body, and spirit. This one is a cool prayer from Your Luminous that I bought, guys. It's really beautiful. It's basically calling back your energy purified through love and light, and cutting cords and sending anybody's energy that you absorbed intentionally or not intentionally back with love and light, so you can just sleep in peace and be at ease. It's: Beloved, I am presence. Please remove all cords and connections I made today. Please cleanse me of any energies I received or absorbed that aren't mine, and please return them back to who they belong to. Please cast away all entanglements, attachments, and wash me fully clean. Please return all energy that is mine from anyone who has taken it or anywhere it may be on the planet. Please align me with all opportunities in alignment with my highest blueprint for tomorrow, and so shall it be. You are luminous. I hope this helped you out, guys. So backstory, because I kind of talked fast, is having my bed gridded, anointing myself with my potion, my holy water, and throughout the beginning of the day, me reciting prayers, then casting my circle before I go to sleep, doing all of these prayers, and having certain crystals with me when I sleep to help protect me and set that intention and pray. I'm pretty much good from getting influence, or how do you say, I'm not being influenced, but by getting interference from negative energies, entities, forces, demons, and energies of low negative vibrations, so they can't attack me or any of that stuff, guys. I am all sealed and protected. So basically, I have with me when I sleep some selenite under my pillow with so many crystals, guys, I lose track. But at the foot of my bed, I do have this big piece of selenite too, and I have one at the head of my bed and one on the side of my bed, and I need to buy another one for this side of my bed. Didn't really have money to get it yet, but you know, we're working on it, we're manifesting it, so being all nice and protected, guys, adding so much extra layers of protection is going to be really beneficial for you to help protect you. So I hope those of you who did click on this video because you do have problems when you sleep and those kind of things has shed some insight that, hey, if a demon is totally attacking me in my sleep and I know there's some kind of sleep paralysis or something, you know, creepy going on, there's a way to get rid of it, and it's channeling your own divinity, your magic within you. You're a beautiful aspect of God, and He created you from His own self, so you have power within you as well. You have His own power. So you need to channel it, do some magic, do some prayers, protect yourself, and you guys will be all set. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below. And I do have another video, guys, if you haven't seen it, Sleeping, Spells, and Dream Protection 101, and that video was more in depth of me doing like spell and burning the paper and doing magic in that one. And that was a channeled information. That was a channeled informative video from God and Goddess Nyx, Mother Mary, the Ascended Masters all came through and worked with me to create that beautiful ritual, so you guys can go ahead and use that too. Since then, I honestly haven't used it because in my instance, and what I do being a light worker, I'm always targeted and attacked, and I kind of came up with this routine for me, guys, but I have done that one in the past and I recommend it to you as well. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see in the comment section down below. Hopefully with my busy schedule, I'm able to squeeze some in. I can't wait for when the weather gets all like a little bit gloomy, fall, guys. It's not my most favorite time of year when the weather's gloomy, but I get more time off work and I'm able to create these beautiful videos for you guys, and it's so much fun to create some magic. I'm also wearing amethyst crystals, guys. I totally forgot to mention this to you too. Amethyst is a really good stone to protect you when you sleep. It aids in psychic protection. It opens your higher chakras, channeling that divinity within you, your crown chakra, your soul star chakra, totally opening up those divine channels. And it's just a really good protective stone to sleep with, guys. And if you want to up the ante, if you've done your work and you're progressing along your spiritual journey, the Melody Stone or Super 7 is amethyst on steroids. It's 7 crystals into one, and it's self-cleansing, so you guys can work with that too. You can grid your bed with that in the 4 corners, on a little grid plate with your grid, that way, or whichever way you guys will like. But working with those crystals and selenite being angelic energy, good for sleeping too, is great. You guys can work with the different stones, do your research, use your intuition to guide you with what you should work with and what you should do. I also didn't mention, but I'm sure you guys know, but you can smudge your space with holy water. You guys can use your incense, your smudge sticks, your herbal blends, and all that good stuff to smudge your space on a daily basis as well. Have an incense burning, like I got mine burning in the corner. You can have cleansing candles burning, calling in the element of fire, Archangel Michael's blue flames, the heavenly fire. There's just so many things that you guys can do to make sure that you are protected and safe and all of those good things. And I don't know if I've ever mentioned this, guys, but the divine is reminding me to tell you that when you have your holy water blend, I have my Etsy shop in the comment section down below, guys, or I mean the description box, and I'm going to be having some holy water on there in a couple months once I start getting my Etsy shop up to par again of what I would like. And you guys want to spray yourself right here in your crown chakra and the back of, like, you know where your knee is right here, guys, the bottom of your knee, on each side. You want to go ahead and spray under there because they're reminding me to tell you that people and negative entities attach their cords to you at your crown chakra and behind your knees for some reason. Learned that from Underworld Classroom and totally got so many chills, and they're just reminding me to tell you guys that. So every little bit of info I told you guys, be sure to take some little notes down, jot those down so you can apply all these bases to your practice to help keep yourself protected. And I hope this helps you guys out. So this video is more on protecting yourself from those energies, lower vibrations, demons, and creatures of darkness. But there's also ways of getting rid of them, vanquishing them, making them go poof, bye-bye, channeling your own divine energy, inner light. You can also call upon other Ascended Masters energy too, like Archangel Michael's blue flames, heavenly fire, with an archangel to help you fight it with your own divinity and make it go poof, vanquish that evil. And I do have another video, guys, on how to vanquish a trolling demon. Hopefully it'll be in the comment section down below if I remember, or you guys can look through my magical playlist of your magical corner. I do have a video on how to get rid of that demon. That demon attacked me in my sleep, so you can always substitute the word for another entity. So you can say the entity in my sleep that bothers me is now beep 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 and vanquished, so mode it be, amen, whatever you want to say to close the statement of your spell. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Enough of me blabbering. I hope I told you enough information for one video, and I'll probably always be updating these every couple months or in another year and share with you my successes and things that I needed to do to protect myself that way. And it also helps too, guys, like I have my one, where's my one candle? Those are two candles, but there's one in the far off corner. Don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like right here under my selenite sphere. That purple one is my praying candle to Goddess Nyx. Always just ending the night praying to that one ascended master. I always thank God, all the ascended masters, call them the protection, but praying to that one that you have a great affinity to, which is add to your connection, growing with each other, and being protected. So I also recommend doing that. But without further ado, I've blabbered long enough, guys. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you all be blessed and rejuvenated. And with my little cat's blessing, I drew the symbol in the air, Maleficent. May you all be blessed and rejuvenated in the name of Goddess Nyx. So, mote it be. This is my little cat, Maleficent, guys. I don't know if you guys really see her a lot because she doesn't really like being in videos, but she's my little cat. My little cute cat. Say hi! Say hi, Maleficent. Your eyes are closed. I don't even think they can see you. Say hi. She's such a cute little cat, guys. My little baby. Maleficent. She's cute, but for some reason when I film videos, guys, and do my magic, she's supposed to be my familiar, but she's more like a little ruckus. She loves disturbing things, but she's cute. You know, God sent her my way, not even Goddess Nyx, so gotta have some compassion for this little one. God sent her my way when I owned my magic site and was sharing it on Instagram. I need to make a video about her and our story. Our story. You're so cute. Mwah.